Hey guys, welcome to Long Naps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete contacts on your Telegram account. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your contacts on the Telegram account, first open up your Telegram app on your Android phone like this. And after opening your Telegram app, search for the contact which you want to delete. And let's go with this one for me. And now to delete the contact, tap on their name on the top of the screen like this. And after that, this kind of interface will appear, whereas on the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon over there. Tap on that three dotted icon like this, and over here you can see there is the delete contact option available for us. Tap on that delete contact like this, and again you can see the pop-up box appear, and it's asking you that are you sure you want to delete this contact. Tap on delete, and there guys, this person has been deleted from our Telegram account. You can know because I had named something else and it's her original name popping out. And to delete the contact from the chat box of your account, simply choose or tap and hold the contact like this, and you can see the dustbin icon or the delete icon appear at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that delete icon like this, and again tap on delete chat, and that person will be permanently deleted from your contacts. And there guys, this is how you delete or remove your contact from the Telegram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.